Sami Intact and Mr. Mohammed Abdi.
The situation in Kismayo and to prepare for a regional conference to end the conflict in Lower Juba. By this declaration, which you are about to sign, you agree to repudiate violence as a means to resolve conflict.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Aan maantay isugu nimid ay tahay Soomaali madaxdeeda oo go'aansatay inay dalkooda ku soo celiyaan nabad waarta.
It's also a delight for me to say that today, or this ceremony is about the day which the Somali leaders decided to bring peace and tranquility to the Somali people, or to their people.
The political leaders of Somalia have reached an understanding based on the following principles: repudiation of any form of violence as a means of resolving conflicts, and implementation of ceasefire and voluntary disarmament throughout Somalia.
Somalia